Welcome to How to 360 Kitchen Creations. Craving a homemade vanilla cake that's moist, fluffy, and irresistibly simple? Let's bake one together. Here's everything you'll need. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9-inch cake pan. Line the bottom with parchment paper for easy release. In a medium bowl, sift together 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Set aside. In a large bowl, beat 1½ cups of sugar and 3 eggs on medium speed until pale and fluffy, about 3 minutes. With the mixer on low, add the flour mixture in 3 parts, alternating with 1 cup of milk, beginning and ending with flour. Mix just until combined. Avoid overmixing. Pour in ½ a cup of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix until the batter is smooth and silky. Transfer the batter to your pan and level the surface with a spatula. Super Transfer Plus Smooth Batter. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then invert onto a wire rack to cool completely. Frost as desired. Classic vanilla buttercream works beautifully. Serve a slice and enjoy your homemade vanilla cake. Perfect for birthdays, gatherings, or just because. All the ingredients and baking instructions are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes.